Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a logo in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor that you can use to create professional looking graphics and designs. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process on how creating a logo using Photopea from scratch. So let's get started. Step 1, create a new document. So go to new project. You'll need to choose the size of your logo. A common size for a logo is 500 to 500 pixels, but you can choose a size that's appropriate for your needs. You can also change the resolution of your photo. A higher resolution will result in better image quality, but also take a larger file size. Once you've chosen the size and resolution of your logo, click OK to create your new document. And I prefer transparent, so you can put whatever color you want in later, but that's just me. Speaking of that, step 2, choose your color scheme. You can do this by selecting the color picker tool. It's like the little eyedropper looking thing. You click or you hold on it and you can use color sample. And you can have another tab open. For instance, I can open a tab and look up color palette like this and choose a color from one of these and go with the color scheme. Or I could just choose from swatches, I don't know how to say that word, and just pick one from here. So for me, I'm choosing green. No, I'm not using green. I'm gonna try to use a color palette because I just think that'd be a better idea now. So I'm gonna go for this color palette. I'm gonna choose maybe the back to be this type of blue. Didn't mean to click on that. I'm gonna bring this over to my other tab, which you can't see, so I can click on it easier. You could also do this by hitting fill while opening up a box right here. Click on this, and do the little color picker tool, and go over there, click your color, hit OK. Then you can make a box around transparent area or around the black background or white background, and right click on the quote-unquote shape and hit merge down. So now it is your background. And if you don't want to accidentally click on your background, I'd recommend you hit this lock button right here so you can't click on it. Step 3 is add text to your logo. So next we will be applying some text to our logo. To do this, you would select the text tool on the top left of your canvas to create a text box. So type tool, and once you've done that, you would put it to this desired location or where you want it on your screen. Type something out. I'm gonna use the word king for example. Size it to the size you would like it to have, like it to be. Place that, like I said, desired location. If you want to, you can go in here. If you want to get a little spicy and add one of these, which I'll show you in a later video how to do that. But for now, I'm just gonna do a simple drop shadow. Just click on drop shadow. It'll pop up this one. And I'm gonna make sure it's at a 90-degree angle, so it's facing downwards. It kind of gave a little bit more 3D-esque like to it. And if you want to, you can add shapes or designs. If you already have a shape in mind for your brand, you can just look up a shape, cut it out, which I'll show you how to do that in a later video, and put it right here. So if I wanted a box, a red box, I'd put the red box there and try to line it up with the text, and that'd be it. Then you would hit File, export as, and you do PNG because that supports like transparent backgrounds if you would have a transparent background. And with that, you'd also want to save as PSD so you can edit it later if you want to. That's basically how you make a logo in Photopea. This is the simplest version I can make, and with that said and done, peace.